Nigeria has taken a significant step towards strengthening democracy across the West African sub-region. To this end, the Federal Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the United Nations Development Programme UNDP have signed a new regional partnership for democracy programs aimed at improving governance, electoral credibility and regional stability. Our correspondent reports from Abuja, where officials say the initiative will deepen reforms and rebuild public trust. Here's that report.
The Regional Partnership for Democracy Programs is aimed at strengthening democratic institutions and deepening governance reforms across West Africa. At the signing ceremony of a Memorandum of Understanding in Abuja, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Yusuf Tuga, said the partnership underscores Nigeria's commitment to fostering resilient democratic systems and expanding regional cooperation for sustainable peace and political stability. The senior special advisor to the President on Foreign Matters gave an assurance that Nigeria will stay committed to development partners in our leadership role in promoting democracy. He urged ECOWAS and the international community to support the initiative, stressing that Nigeria's foreign policy remains aligned with our broader national priorities.
Democracy is being challenged in Africa. We are acutely aware of those challenges, which is why, for Nigeria to continue to show the way, Mr. President believes that a strong domestic base in terms of economy and unity and cohesion is critical for whatever we do abroad. So we try to link our foreign policy to our national development aspirations such that a strong Nigeria will be in a better position to show leadership and direction and solidarity, not just in West Africa, but also in the continent entirely.
UNDP resident representative described the agreement as a globally significant step towards consolidating democratic values, credible electoral systems, and institutional accountability. She said the partnership will serve as a catalyst for building governments that are predictable, truthful, and responsive to citizens' needs. According to her, implementation will be anchored on inclusive governance, public trust, and the shared vision of a government that listens and delivers.
The Regional Partnership for Democracy builds on these gains. It harnesses the region's collective courage, leadership, and experience to scale what is working, deepen institutional reforms, and accelerate a continental pathway where democracy becomes not only an aspiration, but a lived reality, delivering development, peace, and opportunity. We must build a vibrant consortium of partners within the West Africa region and amongst friends of West Africa to mobilize the resources and expertise needed to power implementation.
Foreign Affairs Minister Yusuf Tuga said the partnership will help deepen democratic practices and expand Nigeria's leadership role in regional affairs. He emphasized that the program is part of ongoing efforts to ensure that governance structures provide effective and reliable service to citizens.
It's important that we understand the variable geometry of democracy and we support its application in our region so that it's not a one-size-fits-all, so that it would succeed and it will thrive. And the UNDP and Nigeria are supportive of this so that we support the institutions that exist in those countries.
With the new partnership now in place, Nigeria and the UNDP say they are focused on building stronger institutions and restoring confidence in governance across the region. As West Africa navigates complex political challenges, stakeholders believe this collaboration could become a defining step towards stability and democratic resilience. From Abuja, Victoria Ayoride, reporting for Captain TV.